Morning guys, another video, another wet one as you can see behind me. It's now Saturday morning. Just come out to have a look and see what the field is looking like and to see how much rain we've had. Well, this is just the headland along the bottom here. This probably is the worst part of the field standing here, but if you look up the field there, I don't know if you can see, let's zoom in, see if we can see it. Doesn't really appear on camera. With my eye I can see like that's where the Culti press has gone up with the lines. You can see where the water actually sitting in the bottom of the lines. So yeah, it's not great. And there is another puddle here on the edge of the headland. But yeah, no, it's a bit wet. We're just going to look at the rain gauge, see how much it has been. Right, here's the rain gauge. Get the level, 12 mil, about half an inch is what we've had. Right, so what have I been up to this week? You can see these pigs behind me. This is a broken hopper. I'll come in and explain what we've been up to. You see this hopper is divided into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. Now each one can take 10 pigs. There's 22 pigs in this pen. Yeah, and this section here had snapped off, so we had to make another one of them. So yeah, that's one of the jobs I've been up to this week. I didn't think of filming it when I did it, but this is one of the corners where this pen is north south. The others are all east west, and these were mess inside. No matter what I do, I put straw inside. This is what they've done. We're now about to clean them out, so it's about 24 hours since I've done. But every day I have to just muck these pens out because I just continuously muck inside instead of, they do muck outside as well, but for some reason they put it inside as well. So yeah, I've just cleaned this shed out again, the one where they messed inside. This is the north-south facing shed. So if any of you guys have got any idea of what I can do to stop this, please let me know. There's some doors at the back there, I've got them open. I'm now at the end of the pen, sorry, end of the shed, so I've got the outside doors open so they can get air in there. I've tried by putting no straw outside, just putting clean straw inside. That doesn't work. I've put stuff outside and inside, that doesn't work. I've closed those doors through there. I've closed these doors here. Nothing seems to make any difference. If any of you guys got any ideas, please let me know, because it's very hard work, this shed. This shed takes me almost as long as the other shed, which has got 480 pigs in, and this one's only got 150, 160 in. So yeah, if you got any ideas, please let me know. Right, so I just got to clean this down, got to service it, so I'm just going to give it a quick, well, not a proper pressure wash down, because I won't be using that anymore this season with all this water. So just going to set the camera up here and you can watch me do some high-speed pressure washing. There we go, it's nice and clean now. That was a bit of a disaster. I put the camera up there for all that time pressure washing, and I've looked at it and the camera fell off after 55 seconds. So you haven't seen much. That's all clean now. To check it over and make sure the bearings are tight and change any points or shins or turn them around if necessary. If you look, they wear more at the bottom here than they do at the top, so you just simply knock that pin out and turn it round. Bearings, make sure there's nothing loose in there, because as you know we have one of them fall off. So we just have to check that over as well. Just generally service it, always check the lights and all that sort of thing, make sure everything's working okay, then put it away ready for next year, all done. I haven't noticed anything majorly wrong with it while I've been cleaning it, but you never know when you get it in the shed and start tapping things and realising that there's maybe some loose bearings or something like that, or these nuts that come loose or something. You don't realise till you get the tools on it, start cranking around. But yeah, that's all I've been just cleaned down this morning. So yeah, hopefully that should, next week I should get it in the barn and go through that and sort that out. So thanks guys for watching another one of my videos. Hope you enjoyed it. They are talking about a ridge of high pressure coming, so whether it'll be enough for the ground to dry out after we've had that 12.5 mil or 12 mil, whether it'll be enough to do anything in the next coming week, I don't know, but we'll just see what happens. So don't forget to put your thumbs up and to comment and subscribe.